So our focus for these questions is to build a formula. So for example, like these questions, the formula is Sn is equal to n power of 2. So using this formula, we will get the list of sequence like this. Okay, for this formula also, we want to create a formula. Sn is equal, the formula is Sn equal to n power of 2 minus with 1. So when you get this formula, you will get the list of sequence. So next is we have the formula. Okay, we have the formula. We want to find the list of sequence. Okay, we want to find the list of sequence. Okay, let's take a look on one example. Okay, let's say this one is b factorial 0 equal to 1. So r factorial n power of 1 n plus 1 equal to n plus 1 times factorial n for n element of n. Okay, find the first 6 terms of the sequence. Okay, let factorial 0 equal to 1. So this one is b. So n equal to 0 factorial 1. Okay, 0 plus 1 times factorial 0. Okay. Okay. So when you want to find the list of sequence, okay, the first one is you need to find sequence for n equal to 0, n equal to 1. So this one is a 0. List of sequence for 1, and then 2, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, because they say they want to find the first 6 terms here. So the first term, second, third, fourth, n power of 4 with and the 6. Okay, 6. So that's why here we use n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more here. Here is actually. Okay. So this is our first term, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth term. Okay, so for the first term, we already know is equal to 1. So for the second term, okay, take n equal to 0. So factorial 1, factorial y factorial 1, because here factorial n plus 1. So factorial n plus 1. So n here is equal to 0. So it's going to be factorial 1 equal to n plus 1 times factorial n. Okay, so n plus 1, n here is 0. So 0 plus 1 factorial 0. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Factorial 0, factorial 0, look at this one, factorial 0 is equal to 1. So put 1 here. So 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so for the second term, we get 1. So 0, so 1, 1. This one is for the first term, this one is for the second term. Okay, and then for the third term, n, when n equal to 1, factorial 2. So here, n, also n plus 1, n plus 1 times factorial n. So n plus 1, n here is 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, factorial n, factorial 1. So factorial 1 is equal to 1. So take this one, put it here. Okay, so equal to 2. Okay, so the answer is 2. 1, 1. Okay, next, fourth term, n equal to 2 factorial 3. Okay, n plus 1, n here is 2 factorial n, 2 also here. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then factorial 2. Factorial 2 is equal to 2 here. Okay. So 3 times 2 equal to 6. Okay. For this example. Okay. Next is the fifth term. When n is equal to 3 factorial 4. Three plus 1. Okay, because n plus 1, 3 plus 1, so equal to 4. Then factorial 3. 3. Okay. And then for the sixth term, n equal to 4 factorial 5. 4 plus 1, 5 factorial 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. So we will get 120. So the first sixth term is 1, 1, 2, 6, 24, 120.